Hello and welcome to all students. This is FY BCom semester second class, Mathematical and Statistical Techniques second, unit number 10, Normal Probability Distribution. So in the previous lectures we studied what is meant by binomial and Poisson distributions, and these binomial and Poisson distributions are corresponding to the discrete random variable, but today we are going to see about a normal distribution, and this normal distribution is corresponding to a continuous random variable. So what is meant by discrete random variable? A discrete random variable is the variable which takes integer values like 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 dot dot, and continuous random variable is a variable which takes all values in the given interval. That is, for example, height is a continuous random variable, weight is a continuous random variable, percentage of student is a continuous random variable. So now let us go to the normal distribution. The distribution of a continuous random variable can be represented by a smooth curve. Some of these curves are symmetric in nature. The distribution representing such a curve are called as symmetric distribution, or it is also known as a normal distribution. Most of the symmetric distributions in statistics belong to the family of normal distribution. Many physical variables also follow a distribution which is similar to the normal distribution. So this normal distribution was first derived by the statistician de Moivre in 1733 as a limiting case of binomial distribution. It was applied in natural and social science by a French mathematician Laplace in 1749 to 1827. The normal distribution is also known as Gaussian distribution or Gaussian law of error. So let us define what is this normal distribution. A random variable x is said to have a normal distribution with parameters mu. That parameter is called as mean, and another parameter is sigma square, and this parameter is called as variance. A random variable x is said to have a normal distribution with parameter mu and sigma square if its probability density function is given like this. If its probability density function is defined like this, f of x is equal to 1 upon square root 2 pi into sigma into e raised to the power minus x minus mu bracket square divided by 2 times sigma square. So this function has this value when x is in between minus infinity and plus infinity, and the value of mu is also in between minus infinity and infinity, and sigma is greater than 0. Otherwise this function has value 0. So let us write a remark on this density function or remark of this normal distribution. When a random variable is normally distributed with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, it is customary to write x is distributed as normally with mean mu and standard deviation or variance sigma square, and expressed it as x normally distributed with mean mu and variance sigma square. The graph of y equal to f of x for f of x given above is the frequency curve and the normal distribution of the normal distribution, and it is called as normal curve. A normal curve is a bell-shaped symmetric curve as shown in the figure. It is bell-shaped, its shape is like a bell. It is symmetric about mean mu. By symmetry, it means that when we flow the figure when we fold the figure along the line passing through x equal to mu, the two halves would coincide. Okay, the area under the curve